Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block user in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut. Go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Now open the profile of the user that you wanna block. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Then tap on block option. And if you're sure, click on OK button. And that is how you can block a user in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.